Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Peshawar is one of the oldest living cities on the earth. It is a historical city and many civilizations grown up there from their early days to the older days and died out of their own weights. Historical records indicate that Peshawar remained a center of multicultural activities for thousands of years. It has been suggested that Peshawar is an old living city of the Indian subcontinent which has been inhabited continuously since ancient times. So far, through this and many other scientific excavations here, it is found out that the oldest living civilization here was Indo-Greek civilization, which lived here from 190 years before the birth of Hazrat Isa, that is 190 BC to 85 BC. It is followed by Kushan, another civilization. It lived here from 85 BC to 1st century AD. Then from 1st century AD to 4th century AD, there was a civilization known as Scythioparthy. Then it is followed by another civilization known as Kadara civilization, which lived here from 457 AD to 558 AD. Then White Huns, Hindu Shahi, Ghaznavid, Sultanate Delhi, Suri, Mughal Sultanate, Durrani Sultanate, Sikh Sultanate, and at the end there was a Sultanate of English British Empire. So this is a historical city. Wherever you will go, you will find the remains of older days, the remains of many civilizations, their pathways, and different excavations found here, stone sculptures, fragments, pitchers, jars, vessels, oil lamps, human and animal figurines. Furthermore, coins of different dynasties in a large scale have been unearthed from Gorgatli excavations. So you need to, if you have a desire, then you need to come here and see its older days in a new era of time. Thank you so much.